I'm sure you've heard the news. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, but how does it work? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It generates human-like text based on what you type in. Sounds cool, right? So, how does it work now? ChatGPT uses deep learning to understand and generate language. It's trained on tons of internet text, but it doesn't know about current events. What can you do with ChatGPT? Tons of stuff. Draft emails, create stories, answer questions. Need writing help? Brainstorm ideas, create content, or even edit drafts. It's also great for learning. Ask for explanations or summaries to boost your research now. And for fun, so generate stories, poems, and role-play scenarios. Using ChatGPT is easy. Just type your text or questions and it responds. Chat like you would with a friend for best results. But remember, it's not perfect. It can be inaccurate or biased and doesn't fully understand context. So use it responsibly and avoid spreading misinformation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.